Hey friends, at our iCreate program, we are answering multiple questions every day related to WordPress websites through this live chat support. You are also welcome to ask any question related to WordPress websites here. It is free, yes. Today we got a very useful question, very helpful question that can be helpful for all WordPress website. This is why it is being covered in form of a video. And the question was how to show a contact us form in pop-up on button click. So the person who was asking the question simply willing to show a contact us form on button click. So this is a very valid requirement and it is a very common requirement as well. So not only WordPress site, it is requirement for every site, but since we are covering only WordPress related questions on this channel, so this is related to WordPress website. Okay. So the question can be reformatted as how to show pop-up. Either it can be forms or a text message or even image or whatever it may be related to display on button click, or it can be button click or the link click or the image click. So we got a very good solution for this requirement. And let us take an example of a website. This is a website, demo website. Of course, this is using MarLab WordPress theme. This is a very wonderful WordPress theme for amazing website. So I prefer this website particularly. The theme, you can say. This is, of course, a demo website, and you can watch the complete video for this theme overview available on this channel itself. But yes, we are concerned about the covering the questions that how we can show a pop-up form on a click of button. So I'll show you the practically. So since Marlab WordPress theme already covers this answer, this is why I'm showing you this example, but uh, definitely it is coming through a plugin. So I'm going to discuss about the plugin. So Marlab offers the same plugin in free version. Okay. So now uh, I'll show you the direct example first. Okay. So here it is, and I'll open this page first of all. So I'll take you in reverse. So this is the front page. Let us assume this is of course a test page, and pop up anything test page is here. And now this is the button, the target button. Let us consider for an example. I'm going to click this, and now it is showing a pop up form. Yes, very simple, very effective, but form is here and with the cancel button. So now if we are going to edit this page is using a pop-up shortcode. Okay, so this is auto save version, and we can edit this pop-up area, I mean this shortcode area, using Elementor or any page builder as well. Okay, so now where I got this shortcode, the question is, so of course shortcode is coming using a plugin. So which is this plugin? So the plugin is Marlab. In the Marlab theme, the free version is already included. So, but I am showing you the pro version. So the free version of plugin can give you much of the solution, but not all, of course. So this is pop-up anything, a marketing pop-up. The plugin name is this, and you can simply find the plugin at WordPress repository. It is available for free. It has been developed by WP Online Support. That is essential plugin. And since I am showing you the pro version, and I'll take you to the plugin screen where it is effective. Okay, so okay, this is one, and this is form page. Okay, so now edit pop-up. Okay, this is the pop-up screen. So pop-up anything pro is here. I have pop-ups, and I am showing you the form pop-up that I just shown you. So this is the text that is added directly here, and the form is here. So the form is using simply a contact form, and simply the contact form is created in the contact form area, or any other form can be here. So not only contact form 7, you can use any form builder, but the format is like this. And the link type is of course a button, since we are using a button for this pop-up. Okay, so need help. This is the button, and so this is the text of the button, and we can select here for an simple link, for an image or button, or even custom. So the custom is also available, just in case if you are willing to use pop-up in other way, so you can use the custom style as well. Like you can use the pop-up code as class in the call to action or all everything. So button is here and the button text is here. Button custom class can be created here. So enter pop-up button custom class if you want to apply your own custom styling. So this is also available, like you can use some predefined classes, pop-up black or the white with the color and all. So this is custom class, just in case if you are advanced user and willing to use this pop-up on button click or the click to action, call to action, so the custom class can be used. And further, we have a pop-up screen and effects settings. So what we can do, so we can opt to have the full screen mode or the uh, not full screen mode. Pop-up width can be defined. The effect like fade in and multiple effect is here. So this is really very amazing. And the pop-up speed in milliseconds can be decided, can be defined here, and the delay. Further, we have pop-up positions like position X, position Y. We can define here center will show the pop-up in the center. Further, we have the pop-up overlay settings, and we can enable the pop-up overlay and the pop-up overlay color as well, and the opacity and the crows on crows pop-up on overlay. So this is really very important setting. And further, we have pop-up loader setting, where we can enable the loader, the pop loader color, the loader speed. Again, so these all features are available in pro version. You can check the free version as well. So pop-up color settings, so we can set the pop-up background color opacity, pop-up fonts color, and further we can set the pop-up background image settings, and these settings will work with pop-up background image only. Okay, great. So the background image repeat actions can be selected here, like no repeat or repeat X or repeat Y, background image position X or position Y. And further we have this is the page option, it is not related to pop-up. So this is very advanced setting. And further we have Google Analytic event settings, so just in case. And how to use option is also here. Either we can use this all option in form of shortcode as I shown you, or if you are adding the button on link to your theme files, add the following template code. So we have all the options through which we can use this pop-up on click. So it is well available here. So howsoever you want to use, you can use this. And if it is a simple pop-up, so we can check it in another way. Like I created this one, and this is I create pop-up, and I'll show you, hey, this is pop-up content. And of course we have the editor, the content editor is here. We can use all the features of content editor. We can add image as well. So like I'll show you. And if it is the this is the short codes that I can use. Okay, so edit page, and now I'm going to change the short code, and let's save here and open the page. Okay, great. So now the page, so now click me is here, since I'm using the text click me. Here is the click me, pop up anything, and now I'm showing you, hey, this is pop up content that I used here. Okay, now let us assume we want to add an image here. So how it can be? Add media, or like if we are willing to add this media, big one, no, I don't take. Okay, So it is just for example, we can take it on the center, like this is also, and center and update. Okay, update it. So now I'm closing this, refreshing now. Click me, and the media is here. It is more than simple to use, as you can see. And as I said, you can define the pop-up width as well. So it is very simple to organize these pop-ups, and the pop-up, the link and the information in form of pop-up is very effective, as you know. So from the marketing perspective, the from the call to action perspectives, these pop-ups really works very fine. So this is amazing feature that you can use at your WordPress website, and the plugin is really working very nice. So if I deactivate the pro, this can be another question in the comment, I can understand. So what I'm going to do, I'm deactivating the pro one and now reactivating the free one. Now what happens? So we have pop-up anything again, and I have this page, and pop-up form is also available here. So two pop-up I already created, and now I can edit this again. I'm closing the rest of the things. Okay, now I have the different screen, and the limitations are here, like the complete offer. I mean the features it change now. Form fields is pro, social profile is pro, notification is pro, Instagram and all. But yes, we still have option to make model pop-up. So not like push notifications and all. So we have the option to create model pop-up only in the free version, and in the free version as well. So we can use all these options like simple link, image click, or the page load option as well. So the simple link, if simple link is selected here, and we can use the same here, and we can update first, and we can preview the pop-up page. Okay, so it is here. It is not like restricted, but yes, you can use the free or pro version as per your requirement, and it is all good. And you can use this wonderful plugin. So I'm refreshing space since I'm using the free version now. So you can start using from free version. You can use here the uh, content or model pop-up and ally announcement type things. But yes, all the conditions can be met here, like button text and all. And further, you have shortcode options and hide close button and hide overlay buttons, close pop-up on escape, or these are some important settings are well available in the free version, free versions as well. So I'm sure you like this feature, and you are going to use this feature at your WordPress website for maximum conversion. And I'm sure you are already a subscriber to this channel as well. If not, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to allow the notifications using the bell button. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your great WordPress website, and you can ask any question to a mentor for your WordPress website here directly on the I Create program, on the live chat, of course. And let us meet in the next video with more solutions. Thanks for watching. Keep reading.